Hey, what's up? This is His for After Effects tutorial channel, and now working with 3D animation TVC energy drink with 3ds Max, RealFlow, and After Effects. Let's start. First, go to 3ds Max, import your 3D model, and then create a plan. So like that, go to create geometry plan, draw here, good, and now create a box. Okay, good. So now draw a cylinder. Don't make a simulation fracture with this model of your energy drink because too much polygon in model. You can create the animation by the cylinder and then replace the energy drink. Select both and zoom in, press Alt, deselect the cylinder and move your energy drink. So now how to create the animation. So you must have the Rayfire plugin. Select Rayfire, open Rayfire, and select the plan static, select the box dynamic and fracture. Where is the location of your energy drink? The energy drink has location here. Select these around pieces and go back to object, clear, add again fragment. Good. And now clear all of them. There is your energy drink location, and deselect the cylinder and go back to Rayfire, add to sleeping object and select your cylinder, add to kinematic and select the plan, add again here. So select the cylinder, move it down and turn on auto key, go to frame 20 and set key. There is 3 color: position, rotation and scale. Go to frame 30 or 40, move up like this. Good. Turn off the auto key and now test your animation, preview, wait for the result. Yeah, looking good. Okay. Need more details for your animation. Go back to object, select multiple pieces like this, add and fragment. Good. And now select these some pieces without plan and go back to object, clear dynamic list and add again without cylinder, add again to sleeping objects. Okay, now preview again and wait for the simulation. Play. Yeah, good. Okay, stop the simulation and select your spray selection. Select these pieces these all around pieces. Press Ctrl, select these pieces, and these pieces. So select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Go to Refire and add to static. Good. And now preview again. This tricks your animation becomes more realistic. Look, everything on the landscape. Wow, that is really great. Okay, and now replace your energy drink. Select again rectangle selection, replace here, and good. Parent link to cylinder. It's mean your energy drink have motion. And now select your Refire and back it. There is 100, change to 150 and back it. Wait for the making simulation of this animation. Okay, select your cylinder, hide. Okay, don't hide. Select your cylinder and cancel the parent web, parent link. Good. Move here and play now. Yeah. Select down here, turn on the auto key, frame 20. Great. And now time to creating the liquid animation, the energy animation. Select again your cylinder and there is toolbar of RealFlow. Export as the file export. Select selected objects and 0 to 100 your export file to desktop, name it, can save and export. Okay, go to RealFlow This is RealFlow, and go to File, create a new project, name it animation. So create new project. After this, go to geometry and import from desktop your SD CAN model file. Look, your model file is not on the grid, not in center point. Select it and move your model file to center point grid here, and go back SD file export. So import again SD file. Okay, yeah, looking good. And cancel the keyframes. SD file export again and go to RealFlow. Yeah, it's update, but don't create your liquid particles at this scale because it's too much big. In this scale of grade, the productions create the float for the film VFX, but we make energy liquid. But how to solve this? Go to scale, there is a scale, geometry scale, change to 0.2, enter. And now create standard circle. Look, the circle is so small. Scale down again, 0.1, enter, and select circle particles, and there is the move up and rotate. Okay, simulate, test how to looks. Press 1, press 2, press 3. Okay, press 4 for the perspective view, and select your circle, go back to speed, change it to 0. Wait. So the result is for creating simple liquid is this. And now setting your liquid particles, select the scale up, and then go to resolution, change the resolution 10 or 11, and there is about viscosity, change to, and go back to V random, H random, change to 1, and select the speed. The speed must be 10, and simulate again. CAD data from frame 1 on will be overwriting. Yes, no problem, we are waiting. Okay, wait for the result. Look, we don't want the particles liquid from start to end of near can model. We want to break after 7 frame. This is the 7 frame. Then stop it and change the speed 0, and now start your simulation again. Okay, the result is looking perfect. Stop your simulation and go back to mesh. There is particle mesh legacy. Select this and go to filter, turn on relaxation 0.5, tension 0.7. Yeah, and now select the circle, speed set again 10 for creating the 3D liquid mesh for 3ds max. Simulate again, yes, wait and select again particle meshes, right click, build, wait. Yeah, that's good. And now thinning 0.5, 0.7, 0.7, tension must be 3, and build again. Yeah, good. And now simulate again. This is the final setting of creating liquid, because there is the mesh you can see when you zoom, and this is the circle particles, and wait up to 60 frames. So after 10 frames, go to speed, circle speed, change to 0 and continue your simulation after frame 11. Okay, this is too much simulated liquid animation in RealFlow, and play. Looking great, and you can test your render and go to render, traits, how many traits your CPU have. The most important things, CPU is 56 28 cores, and you can render, for example, this is during render. Okay, now close this one and go to 3ds max, press Z, zoom out, and create the band mesh. Where is band mesh? Create band mesh object, meshes, okay, enough for this simulation. Stop simulation, then go back to 3ds max and go to create band mesh, cancel this band mesh and select the band mesh from 0. Where is 0? From 0. 1 2 3 from 1. Open now. Play. Okay, change the direction, and now you can hide the selection, or you can delete the cylinder. Delete the cylinder and rotate, starting from this point, and move the liquid little bit far. Okay, select the can model, little bit down, Ctrl A, deselect the can model and deselect the liquid, go to material, drop this material and leave the liquid material and leave this can and the drops, water drops material. And now select all and go to wafers, select this button, delete it, play again, select all of these buttons, select, there is no more objects fall, select all of them, and now time to export to After Effects. The liquid is 85 frames. Go to script, run script, and then desktop. No, where is your script? Go to downloads. There is export obj sequence. You can search in Google and download it. Select 85 frames, start from 1, where to desktop, create a new folder and name it the A, and save and export. Wait. This is about the frame 1. This is the second frame. Task manager. Processor, graphics, GeForce. Good. Now 3 frames. Wait until it finish. This one, go back to file, import 3D sequence and select the A7, open, okay, and set the end frame 83 and set this one 74 and zoom in. And now go to materials. This material is for landscape. Drop this material, and this material is for can. Select this material, drop this, and go to change texture, load texture, and go to desktop, materials, select the texture, press OK, and brighter and darker. And now this is the water drop. Apply the glass, or you can select the organic, or there is another effects, amber, and this is for liquid, which is looking good. Drop that. And time to change the environment. Go to environment, select one and press OK, and then right click, create a camera, 24mm, press OK. Down the camera here and change the direction and zoom in down here. And now go to back 3D, render setting, lighting, select the cinema, lighting, select 360 and dramatic. This dramatic is looking good. And turn on the matte shadow and turn on the ambient occlusion, looking more realistic. Set the sampling 64 and set the intensity a little bit more. 2.7 is enough. 128, and create another solid. Select the material texture and name it background. Press OK. Drop down. Okay, and now select the 3D and go back to scene setup. Set the frame animation back to 1 or 0. Select, change 74 to 1 and start maybe from frame 7. Press OK and play slowly. This is the can model. Okay, go back to element 3D and turn on the motion blur. Motion blur, turn on, make the motion blur, and now preview the animation. This is the result. Little bit problem in liquid material. Change the lighting direction, additional lighting, rotation. Go back to scene setup. Where is the liquid material texture. This is okay. Change the material texture of this liquid like this, and there is the reflection, and press OK. Yeah, looking good. Back scene setup. Change the frame animation back to 7. Select it, change to 7. Start frame from 7. What's the problem? The liquid is one. Press OK. Drop this material again. Select. Change again to 1. Model has material with texture larger than texture will be downscale to fit. Now you can change texture size limit in progressive. Press OK. Okay, not important. Just check, play,